Hi there. Today we're learning how to solve equations that have variables on both sides of the equal sign. So let's get started and figure out how we're going to solve for x.
The first thing we want to do is let's identify our variables in this equation. Looks like our variables are going to be 3x and 2x. We'll have our variables in blue here. Our constants in this problem will be 5 and 12, so we'll do our constant in yellow. When we see problems with variables on both sides, we want to make sure we can get the x's all together. Right now we have 3x on the left and a 2x on the right. Let's move this 2x by subtracting 2x from both sides. So remember, balance is the name of the game here. 3x minus 2x, remember our invisible 1, we'll just have x right here. 2x minus 2x is nothing. Let's see what our new equation is. X plus 5 equals 12. Now let's get rid of this 5. We have plus 5, we'll subtract 5. And remember, we need to stay balanced, so we're going to subtract 5 from this 12 as well. 12 minus 5 would be 7. 5 minus 5 would be nothing. Now let's take a look. Let's bring our x down and let's bring our equal sign down. Would you look at that? X equals 7. Let's make sure our answer is correct. And how we can do that is now we're going to take the 7 that we found, x equals 7, and plug it into this equation we started with. We're going to see if our equation is balanced. Our answer was x equals 7. What we're going to do is replace these x's with our 7. Let's write it out. Instead of 3x, we'd have 3 times 7 plus 5 equals, now instead of 2x, we're going to do 2 times 7 plus 12. Let's solve this. 3 times 7, 21. Let's bring down this, plus 5 equals 2 times 7, that would be 14, plus 12. Now, when we add 21 plus 5, we get 26. When we add 14 and 12, would you look at that? We also get 26. That means we did it. If both sides match, that means our answer is correct. So our answer of x equals 7 was correct.
There you have it. That's how we solve equations if the variables are on both sides. Please leave a comment if you have another type of problem that you would like me to explain. I really like doing your requests. And I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.